Thank you. Later, I'm gonna visit your house. Ay, nako, it's so hot. Thank you, Present. Are you at work? Are you home? Or are you what? Where? Are you driving anywhere down the street? Parang puti-puti ko yata dyan. It's because of the sunlight. Behind the moon covering the sun. It has shimmering splendor in your heart. In your heart. Dumating ako para sa'yo, Tisha. I miss you. I love you. Okay, mahal? I miss you too, my friend. I'll be my home. How was it? Is it nice on me or not? My nose, my flat nose did not holding the glass. The glasses keep going down. Beautiful. Wow, ang ganda mo, Tisha. Gusto ko. Really? Thank you. Because of that, you have a kiss. Cheers. I wish this is beer, but it's not. It's Coca-Cola. I don't have beer. Hi, Lord. Galing. Okay. 32 real. 52 fake. I like that. I really like that. You make me young every day. Because of that, you have a kiss. Kumusta? Maganda. Mark! Hello! Thank you, Mark, for visiting my life. Hi! Pwede ba kanin, no? Dungan-dungan pareho live. Mag-glasses ko kay silaw kayong kuan. The heat of the sun is covering the shore. Walang anuman beautiful. Wow! You know how to speak Tagalog. You're English? You're Englishman? Thank you. You'll be in my heart. Decided to cut again my hair. Here. Tisha! Laging nasa puso ko. Ay, sana all. Thank you. Ito, my friend, thank you so much. How are you